Welcome to this tutorial on fading an image in Figma in just a few minutes. To begin, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the site loads, locate the login option at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This action will take you to the login area where you will see various options to sign in. After clicking login, you will notice an option to continue using your Google account. Select the option that says continue with Google. This method allows you a quick and secure way to sign in without having to remember a separate Figma password. After you click this option, a prompt will appear that asks you to choose your Google account from a list. Simply select the account you wish to use for Figma, and the system will automatically log you in. After signing in, it is time to navigate to your project. You can find this by accessing your project through the Figma interface. If you have a bookmarked project or one that you are already working on, click that project to open it. The project page will display your workspaces, and from here you can locate the image you need to fade. Click directly on your image to select it. Making sure the image is highlighted is important before you adjust any properties. With the image selected, look to the Properties panel and find the section labelled Fill. The Fill section is where you can change how your image appears and apply various modifications such as gradients. Once you have located this section, click on the plus symbol to add a new gradient color effect. This is the beginning of transforming your image by applying a fade effect over it. After adding a gradient, a dialog box will appear that displays different color options. In this dialog, click on the gradient icon. This tells Figma that you wish to work with gradient settings instead of a solid color overlay. With the gradient mode active, you can now set both the colors and the direction of your gradient. This step is important because it allows you to create the desired fade effect by controlling the transition of colors across your image. Once you have arranged the gradient colors and adjusted the direction to your preference, the final step is to modify the opacity of the gradient. Changing the opacity will help you achieve the subtle fading effect that blends your image into the background or into another scene. Take a moment to move the opacity slider or input your desired opacity value until you reach the perfect balance. The goal here is to ensure your image appears gently faded, with seamless transitions between the gradient colors. By following these steps, you have successfully faded an image in Figma. You have navigated from signing into the Figma website using your Google account to fine-tuning your image through a gradient overlay. This method allows you to add professional finishing touches to your design effortlessly, ensuring your visuals remain both engaging and elegantly subtle. Enjoy your newly faded image and the creative possibilities it brings to your project.